properly secured. Whoever secured this is a real expert.
Hold on, I'll help you on this side.
Oh snap! Look at all those coral.
We're gonna take it and put it down over here.
Oh. Spoke too soon. I'm gonna break off.
There was a whole bunch of nice coral.
Oh, sorry.
Here.
It's alright.
And hit the air bubbles.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
They're giant.
Look at this one fusing over here. You got like a full out cookie.
Oh. Look, they're starting to protrude on this one.
This guy right here. See the four?
Oh yeah.
You think maybe they gave us bigger corals because they're less sensitive?
Yeah, these are. He said that they were all the robust species that they have.
So
Perfect.
scouts can't totally tweak them. That's
Right.
good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Are you taking pictures?
Did he tell you what species they were?
These are. I don't know what the scientific name is, but these are mustard coral.
Mustard tail coral?
Mustard tail.
These
yeah.
are from Mote?
Yeah.
M-O-A-T.
M-O-T-E.
M-O-T.
And
I'm not quite
this
sure
is some
what
kind of. See these guys with the antenna-like structures? They're
Yeah.
Other kind of mound coral. I don't know.
What's swimming in the water here?
I don't. A little worm.
Wormy.
See him right here?
Interesting.
Yeah.
What's
I,
he doing?
Polychaete
seen-
worms?
I've started to see some glowworms out at Muncie.
Polychaete.
We do have like 2 stowaway snails in here,
Yes.
but we're supposed to get more snails tomorrow actually. And then there was a tiny little brittle star.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if it's still alive.
And so the plan is you guys are just going to keep these, right? You're not going to outplant, or you're going to keep them here for a while?
We're gonna keep them here for about a year.
Wow.
And then we'll be
Wow.
out planting. Yeah.
Cool.
Oh,
Oh.
it's gonna make the tour so much better.
Oh yeah.
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 Having coral will make the door better. The
Yeah.
Seriously.
And this is where we might get coral.
Picture, if you will.
Yeah. They said after 2 weeks habitating in here, we can start cutting.
Wow.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Get them used to this tank and the environment.
Oh, did anybody check the schedule on the office?
Oh no, I haven't yet. I will on the way back. I'm curious.